Let's look and see how well you did with your test. You're understanding the volume and surface area of cubes and cuboids. The first thing I like to do is identify my parallel lines, or the lines that are in the same plane, because that tells me that they all equal 100 millimeters. I go and do my vertical lines, horizontal lines, and those lines are 7 centimeters. Then I'm going to look at the oblique lines, and those lines are 3,5 centimeters each. Now, if we look at our diagram, you've got to make sure that all your units are the same. These are millimeters, and the rest of them are centimeters. So I'm going to convert from millimeters to centimeters. So you go and fetch King Henry, and that is 1 bunny hop to the left. So I'm dividing by 10. So I'm going to take 100 divided by 10 will give me 10 centimeters. So this measurement here is 10 centimeters. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to plan how I'm going to do the surface area. So I'm going to do this one first, that one second, and the top face is going to be my third calculation. Surface area 1 equals, I've got two faces, and I'm doing the front face, so it is going to be 10 centimeters multiplied by 7 centimeters, and if I calculate that on my calculator, I will get 140 centimeters squared. It is two-dimensional. Let's look at surface area 2. Again, I have two identical faces, and that is going to be 3,5 multiplied by 10, and that would equal 70 centimeters squared. And finally, surface area 3, I have two identical faces. That is going to be 7 multiplied by 3,5, and that will give me 49 centimeters squared. You now add these together, and you will get to 259 centimeters squared. Please make sure you remember to put your units. Right, now let's look at the volume. And remember, I said to you, volume is area of face times the distance traveled. Right, so the area of the face, I'm going to take the area of face 1, which is going to be 10 multiplied by 7. And now how far does it have to go to meet its partner at the back, or the identical face? Well, it's got to go 3,5 centimeters, so I'm going to multiply by 3,5, and if I do that calculation, I get 245 centimeters cubed. And again, I'm going to say I use this formula and not length times breadth times height, which would work, but remember, when we go to cylinders and triangular prisms, you will see that it is much easier to have one formula that works for everything. For more practice on this, chapter